In this video we'll be looking at this ASUS ProArt laptop. It came into the store because it needs a replacement screen because this one is smashed. These are very difficult to replace because of the way they're put together, as you will see in this video. I will comment on some of the more important steps in this video, but for now just sit back and enjoy the video. So when taking the back lid off, always make sure there's nothing plugged into the back of it, as sometimes there's a cable for a fan or other peripheral that's plugged into the back panel. Before beginning to work on any electrical components inside the machine, remember to always unplug the battery, as not doing so can cause a short in the motherboard and damage to any parts of the laptop. The first thing that we do after unplugging the battery is unscrewing any screws that hold the screen into the base, so the brackets, and then any other peripherals that hold the motherboard, because unfortunately in this model the motherboard must come out of the laptop to take the screen off. So when we took the heatsink off, we've made an interesting discovery. It turns out that the thermal paste on this computer also needs changed because it's created an air bubble inside there, as you can see, and that significantly reduces the cooling power of the heatsink there. So we're going to replace the thermal paste as we go along later on in the actual repair. Now you might wonder what this is. Now this is a system which some laptops come with. It is basically, what we're pulling on here is the inside glue rubber bands. And what happens is the more you pull of them, the more of the glue you're actually pulling away from between the screen and the housing. So you pull it really gently just to make sure it doesn't snap, because as I said, you want to pull as much of that out as possible. It takes a little bit of time, and you need to apply a little bit of force on there. But you just kind of need to feel it and make sure that you're not going to snap it too early, because then you need to remove more of it, by hand later on, which is a little bit of a pain. But if you just take your time with it and you pull on it gently like we're doing here, you should be able to get the majority of it out. And there's one on each side, and it just holds it's what holds the screen into the actual housing. Now, so that's it for the removal of the screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helped someone. Please consider subscribing and liking if you found this useful, and so you can check out more of our content, and also so that you're informed for when we do the actual replacement video. Because currently what we need to do is we need to actually find a screen for this, because they're really difficult to find. So again, thank you very much, and see you in the next one.